about to.
Yeah, no, like now.
So this is a video of me getting yelled at by a random college student
Chill.
while I try to land this trick that I've never seen anyone else in the world do. But this story actually starts over a year ago when I first discovered this trick was possible. And after over a year of practice, I could not only confidently and safely perform this move, but I also challenged myself to take all of the mats away and try to land it in my gym with no mats to make sure that I was 100% fully prepared to do this trick safely outside. And when the day finally came for me to try this outside, I warmed up properly, got mentally ready, and during my countdown, this happened. 3, 2, 1.
What you're doing is very unsafe, so we need you to get down.
I understand. Maybe 5 second focus.
We need you to get down now.
I'm trying to be safe right now. You're making it less safe right now.
Yeah,
So-
just stop
We
talking.
are the residents.
If you truly care about my safety, you'll stop talking.
I don't care. So what? He will get down. Oh. Yeah, let's go.
Sorry, I had to
Yeah.
do this.